This is a 2013 Mazda Speed 3. This hatchback has a 6-speed manual transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, a sports suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a pass-through rear seat, a premium sound system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, performance tires, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Jenkins Mazda is conveniently located at 1740 Southwest College Road in Ocala. Contact us to find out about our financing specials or visit us at jenkinsmazda.com.